What is compliance in business? In this video guide, you will learn about the basics of small business compliance. Let's dive in. If you run a small business, you may not have a payroll or human resource expert on staff like a larger organization might, but you still need to comply with employment regulations. In this video, you will learn about payroll, taxes, benefits, and finally, hiring. Let's start with payroll. To run payroll in full compliance, you would need to abide by the minimum wage and overtime pay requirements of the Fair Labor Standards Act. Provide equal pay for equal work regardless of gender in accordance with the Equal Pay Act. Follow state and federal guidelines when using direct deposit and pay cards. Now, what about taxes? Whether you file quarterly estimated taxes or an annual tax return for your small business, be aware of filing deadlines and deposit frequencies. Requirements may vary across the local, state, and federal levels. You might also need an employer identification number, a business entity type, to file your taxes properly. Here is a list of benefits that you can offer to your employees to maintain small business compliance. Workers' compensation, unemployment insurance, disability insurance, health insurance, COBRA benefits, and finally, leave of absence. Before we finish this quick guide, let's talk about hiring. Recruitment might be simpler in smaller organizations, but that doesn't mean the regulations are any less strict. Your hiring practices must comply with EEOC and OFCCP guidelines in order for you to be compliant. To learn more about compliance, payroll, and taxes, please contact our operations manager. This is the end of the guide. Thank you for joining us in this short introduction to compliance, and see you in the next video.